Gmail.com login or Gmail sign in. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can log in or sign in for gmail.com or Gmail. Now the process is quite similar on the app itself and the browser itself. I'll be showing you on the app here currently, but the process is similar on gmail.com on your browser as well. Now you can head into gmail.com or you can type in www.gmail.com on the browser and you'll be headed into official Gmail website, or if you have the app you can simply open up the app. In my case I have already logged into my account, but I'll just show you how you can log into another account as well. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen and there you'll be able to switch accounts as well. But if you want to add another account, you can simply tap on add another account option and you'll get somewhat like this while you're trying to log into your account. Now this is how you'll be shown up once you want to log into your account. Now you can select Google, Outlook, Hotmail and Live, or Yahoo, Exchange and Office 365 and other options as well. I'll just select Google option here, and once here what you can do is you'll get a verification here. Once you go through the verification process, you can either enter your email or phone number, or you can simply tap on create account option at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now you can either create an account from here or you can either log in through here. Now this is the sign in option that you get. Now in case you want to log in, you can simply type in your email address here and then tap on next option, and then you can type in your password and you can tap on next and you'll be logged in. Or if you want to create your account, simply tap on create account option. You can either create for yourself or for business. I'll just type in myself here. You want to enter in your details here, first name and surname, and then enter your date of birth and enter your password and such, and then you want to enter your confirmation number, and once you do so you'll be signed in. So this way you can sign in or log in on Gmail. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.